gang. Get hit with that Mac, knock up your hat. You was a rat, take all your stacks. Young nigga came from the bottom. Trapped out that Louis and Prada.
So today's video is so exciting because I've been wanting to use the Calista hair dryer for so long, but it's so expensive that I just never like bought it because I have so many blow dryers and I feel like blow dryer videos are kind of like popular on my channel. So you guys already know, like I have at least 4 blow dryers right now. I got this for Christmas. So it has the concentrator, the root lift, the paddle brush, and the round brush. So I really want to see if this is black girl friendly because they do advertise it to mostly white people, but what if black people can benefit? And like there's a huge gap in like the representation. Add some more diversity, like it's 2020. Amazing. So I guess this foil lining is like to protect it from the heat. Okay, so let's take a look at the heads first. So there's hot, warm, and cool, and then there's low and high. So you just line up the arrow with the little knob here, and you push it in. And then to take it out, you press down both sides. Like there's a button right here, and there's a button on the other side. You press it. So that's pretty easy. I really do like that function. That is not bad at all. That took like a minute. It's still a little damp, but that is the moment that we are changing our head. I'm going to use the root lift. So that was a little awkward. I feel like I just have to get used to it, but now that my hair is detangled and it took out this much. A little false fuzz ball, that is what. Nope. We'll do paddle brush first. My hair is too thick for that. Okay, but okay, yeah, I approve. I approve. out. Obviously, it's a little, yeah, it's a little puffy still, but also it's just a blowout, not straightening. I'm not like trying to straighten my hair, but it's pretty soft. But yeah, I don't think it pulled out too much hair. Let's see. Which I think is okay. Yeah, it was pretty easy to use overall. I don't know if I'm going to be using this because it was a little bit hard to do, to use. Like, this was very helpful in detangling before using this. So the order I would do: first tension method, detangle, and then paddle blow dry, because like it reduces the amount of hair that you'll lose. But I'll definitely keep using this, and the learning curve will be there. Like, I'll definitely learn how to use it better and see what works and see what gives me better results. So but overall, I'm not mad at it. I hope you enjoyed this video. That was a little ghetto. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next video.